Sabi na po niya na ako mag-test.
Okay.
Ah, okay. Sugot na niya siya parang.
So, aside from school orders, nakapatay sa kagrupo, association.
Pero ano siguro sir, ang other growers, aside from the rubber cooperative, tawag na to independent grower or smallholder. Some of them belong to association sa Manila. But ang uban, do not belong. Nana lang ang senaryo.
Sige, okay lang.
Bali ang ato distinction is the way they manage the production, the way the farm, the way they manage the farm. Usually, ang association, proposal independent rubber growers, but they are growing individually. Nag-organize lang sila kung mga sila.
Ayuda niya kumigo, pero sabi.
Negotiate sila. But their mode of production, basically,
Household based.
kanya-kanya sila patuloy. Whereas, hindi sa plantation based, ang production namin is for good production. Hindi dapat ikswento ang mga manager, lagi yung hierarchy sa organization ng mga farm on how they produce this. They produce rubber collectively. Hindi kay kanya-kanya. Sige, sa tinatong distinction na kami.
Yes.